You know what today is? It's Tuesday. And you know what that means? It's a Terrier Takeover Tuesday. So I wish I could say that I wake up every morning to Eye of the Tiger, but I in fact do not. This is just a special occasion. I normally wake up to Work by Rihanna. That's been my alarm clock since freshman year. But just a little bit about me. My name is Imani Roberson. I am a soon to be graduating senior at Boston University studying public relations and political science. So I hope you enjoy the takeover today. So if we were at BU right now, I'd probably be taking you around campus with me. But since we're social distancing, I just wanted to walk you through some of the places we're going to hit today. So we're going to start off in bedroom 2, as you can see here. Then we'll probably hit the basement for a quick workout, followed by the kitchen, which will be really fun. Behind me, we'll probably hit the living room. And then, of course, we'll probably hit the bathroom at some point today. So I hope you're ready for this wild adventure. Yeah, we got our oats here, and I saw a few of you guys had some questions about dining, so I figured I'd answer them now. So I personally really like the 250 plan because you got a lot of dining points, and I prefer going to the GSU and other spots on campus. But if you still want to keep a decent amount of meals, maybe try the 330 plan. But that's just me. Yeah, I did actually finish all my coursework for my senior year last night, so you can basically call me a graduate. And I'll probably just spend the day trying to fill it with some fun activities and trying to answer all your questions.